The next step is to set the foundation with a translucent powder. I'm going to show you two different ways, and the first demonstration I'm going to do is setting your face with a powder brush. You want to get a translucent powder. In this case, I'm just using a neutral translucent powder, good for many skin colors. You can go to any department store, beauty supply store, drugstore, and find a translucent powder in your color. So what I'm going to do is just put some out. Grab my powder brush, which looks just like this. And again, you can get powder brushes at any drugstore, beauty supply store, department store. And I'm just going to take a little bit from here. Flick off a little bit of the excess powder, and then you just dust onto the face, and this sets the foundation so that you have a nice clean face and palette for the rest of your day. And there you have setting your face with translucent loose powder with a powder brush.